It's day 6 of our challenge, and you're doing an incredible job. Give yourself a round of applause. Doing a great job. Today, we're going to talk about blinking. Blinking. Now, we know that consistency, focus, and drive are main pillars of success. If you can stay in the game and have that consistency, you will win. But have you ever had, if you wear contacts, have you ever had where your contacts were a little fuzzy? And if you would look away from what you were trying to look at and blink a little bit, get a little water in the eye, a little blinky blink, and come back and it's sharper, it's more in focus. This may happen even without contact lenses. I wouldn't know. Have you ever had that happen though? I've had it happen like once a year where it's like, I'm trying to look at something, gotta blink, come back. That's what I think about when I think of focusing hardcore on your business or whatever you're trying to work on. Is if you do that, yes, you will be successful. And yes, it's a good thing to do. But if you do that without ever turning your head to blink, you will miss out on so much. And yes, it's about, spending time with family and friends and making sure your life doesn't pass you by. But it's also a hack. Because when you look over and blink and have fun and enjoy a hobby or do something, go for the afternoon and go on a 2 or 3 hour break, lunch, hang out. When you come back to what you're focusing on, it's even sharper. Have you ever had a problem or you're trying to make a decision and you're just thinking about it for so long and it's just going over and over in your head? And then you can't figure it out. But if you get distracted or somebody asks you a question, or if you go away from it forcefully and you come back, you can see it a little bit clearer. That's what I'm talking about today. So, what I want you to do today is first allow yourself to feel joy. Look for joy in the smallest of things and don't let this all be about the hustle. Your homework for today is to write down in your journal 2 things that you promise yourself you're going to do in the next 30 days. In the next 30 days, as a hobby, for fun, I'm going to do this. Is it a concert? Is it a sports game? Is it hanging out with friends? Going to the beach if you have that luxury? What is it you're going to do? Are you going to play video games? Are you going to watch Netflix? Are you going to do the thing that most gurus tell you not to do? I say that that is your homework, is to plan that fun. Now, it's a little bit of an oxymoron, but sometimes some of us have to do that. We have to say, oh, this is when I'm going to have fun. So that's what you're going to do. And make sure you're at the live Zoom call that's coming up. Look in the description below to get the cool link for the live Zoom call. It's going to be so much fun because it's week 1 and we will have a lot to talk about in this session and you'll get to meet other people who are taking the challenge. I'll see you there.